This video tells you how to make wheat balls. This one is a very easy evening snacks. Let us see how to make it. Take one egg in a bowl. Add 1 cup of jaggery to it and add it to a blender and blend it such so that the jaggery dissolves well. Few pulses and running in low speed is enough for this. Transfer it to a bowl and keep this aside. Now take 2 cups of wheat flour. To this add a pinch of salt and 2 big pinches of baking soda. Sifting makes the flour fine and also the wheat balls will become more softer if you sift the flour. You might get some lumps at the last. You can press out the baking soda lumps if they are there, and the rest of the lumps you can discard it. Now add this sifted wheat flour into the egg mixture in 2 portions just to make the mixing easier. To this add 1 cup of milk and mix well. I have added milk in small portions in order to get the right consistency of the batter. In total, I have used 1.5 cups of milk to get the right consistency. You can add it at one go itself. The batter should not be very thick, nor it should not be too runny also. The batter is still very thick. This is the right consistency of the batter. and the mixing is done. I have added extra 3 tablespoons of jaggery. If you want it to be more sweet, you can add it too. If you prefer less sweet, you can skip this step. Since it's just a little quantity, just 3 tablespoons we're adding at the end, this will also add a crunch at the end when you make the wheat balls. Now heat oil in a vessel, heat it well and take a small spoon and pour the batter this way in the oil, well heated oil. Make sure you pour small quantities of the batter so that the balls are cooked well. And also keep the flame very low, otherwise the wheat balls will not be cooked in the middle. It will become brown in the outer surface and it will be raw inside. So after you heat up the oil in high flame, reduce the flame to a very low level and then pour the batter in the oil to make these balls. In the very low flame itself, you cook on both the sides. Now you can just check for the light brown color on both the sides. Then your wheat balls will be ready. The wheat balls are done now. It's cooked evenly on both the sides. Do try this recipe and let me know how it was. Thank you for watching this video.